I like them, eh?
Limit our angles, or limit daily angles,
Yeah.
because that's the problem we usually have on this map. Is there's too many angles, there's too much stuff coming at us. If we block off one, then we can focus.
Me with a what? If I can get in close, a pharmacy's good.
Let's give it a try.
Should Greg and I dive tank combo?
Yes.
Do we need some shields?
I think my gut feel says your dive tanks are a better option than
Yes, let's go dive
than
tank.
poking forward slowly with the
because
shield.
No, because that never works for us in this stage ever.
So just
Let's just go full
make
on
sure you
aggressive
can
with our
make
ammo
sure
in
you
the
can
back,
make sure you can
me
get
blocking
back.
off angles.
We go around the
and,
left.
Yeah, just make sure you can get. Yeah,
Go on the left.
make sure you know where your healers are.
Yeah.
We're lost in front of Vikings.
You're starting off by trying to find the healers. That's what we're trying to do here. They're not on the high ground. There's a bunker straight ahead there.
Greg, where are you?
I'm in front of you.
Red has gone through in the front. You come out the room, you see him.
Okay, yes.
Ow!
There's McCree, Greg, you wanna go for him?
Freaking
Oh, you took me down.
bastard! Oh, he's got the seeking arrow. That's how he saw me.
Okay, McCree's down.
Bitch. You're two down. You're three down.
Okay,
Coming.
let's get out of here, Greg.
Retreat. Tactical retreat. Advance backwards. I'm
Come
coming.
to me, come to
Okay,
me, come to
pressure.
me.
I'm going up.
There are two up
I need
there
to
now.
get to my tanks. Woo! Getting to my tanks. Cheese, I need to leave you for a second.
D.Va.
Let me just top up my tanks. Okay, I'm good.
She can run
Good to go.
from us if...
Leave it down.
Okay,
Give it to me.
Oh shit, keep behind us on the same high ground.
Going
Greg.
for the Hanzo on Hanzo on the other side.
Evie, come in, come in.
Hanzo dead.
Go, Evie, go, go, go.
Please
He
can't
heals.
keep up. I am. My beam is full on you.
Nice.
Didn't even leave to like heal my tanks and. Sorry, Greg.
Okay,
Stand on point.
he's
That's
Standing
it.
on point.
watch out for that.
Watch is coming straight through point. Ah, when I stand in it like a dumbass.
Going over.
Cheesy's coming.
Alright, Greg, where are you?
I'm out of my mech. I just have to get my mech back or die.
Yeah, give you a
Who's
bubble.
sitting on the payload?
There's the Hanzo up
Can you
top.
kill
I'm going
that
for him.
shield? Kill that shield.
Coming.
I have an ulti.
You go for the immortality field.
Arisa behind Jeeps.
D.Va hates you, Cheese.
Yeah.
Oh, now she hates me.
I have an
behind.
ulti.
McCree behind, McCree behind.
Okay, Hanzo's down.
Is he dead?
No,
No,
You need
Still
help on the
running.
payload. You
Pick
need
up
help
the
on the
health
payload.
he's dead now.
Yeah, he's dead
Coming
now.
around. Shit.
Yep. Type of thing tends to kill me dead.
D.Va in our backline.
yeah,
D.Va was in the back there.
I'm gonna leave her. She's out of her mech.
Yeah, leave her, leave her, leave her. Here. Oh, cheesies. Saw your corpse. There's your corpse.
Okay, Greg, let's try and work together. Okay.
Don't know where that is.
Ah, he still got me? What?
You can raise him. Raise
You
Jeeps.
came out too late.
Nice one.
Oh, sorry, Chul. I can't keep up.
Greg, come where I can see you. Come where I can see you.
I can't keep up.
There was
Retreat.
Okay,
Retreat.
fall back, Greg. Fall back, fall back.
I can't keep up. That's too much damage. You were running in there. I was one healer. I can't.
we have one healer. Okay.
Coming? No. Chris was dead for a while, and he was still running back.
Guys, are we going Main Street or upstairs?
Let's go high ground.
You guys go main. Well, yeah. Let's all go upstairs. That's good.
Okay,
Go
Greg,
here.
let's try and dive on the healer from here. There's a
Greg,
soldier, let's dive
You
on
wanna
him.
go get the soldier?
Are they all in there?
Yeah, a lot of them.
I need to go help Greg. Oh shit. Yeah.
Okay, let's pull out of
Fucking
this.
idiot.
Ah, it's a mortality field.
Push the payload, you
Move the
guys.
payload, move the payload to the
Ooh,
point.
lag.
D.Va's coming behind you guys. McCree up above you on the high ground.
Top right, top left.
Here's the one res.
Healing. Fuck.
Have an ulti. Are we all here? What?
No,
Sorry, Tool, I completely lost where you were.
I was on the payload.
I need heals.
Shit, yeah, sorry.
Thank you.
There's just too much here. I
Yeah,
can't
yeah,
keep
yeah,
up.
Mortality
Moira
cloud.
on our peelers.
Yeah,
Moira on
yeah,
our
I'm
peelers.
on it, I'm on it.
Greg, you guys to the left, upstairs.
Thanks,
Yeah,
we
let's
can't
finish
keep up.
it.
There was something on the healers. Because I can't see you.
Oh,
Shit.
It's fine, Rizim.
One. Shit. Try.
where'd
Damn
you go?
it, I fell down. Sorry, I panicked. There was a McCree there.
Soldier coming behind you.
5 seconds.
Eves, soldier on your left. Soldier left. Nice one.
Nice. Need to get to this payload.
Okay, let's get in there.
Need to
They're
leave
in
the cheese.
a position.
Okay, Moira down.
Okay, good.
Keeps I can't see you. Probably not a good idea to pop that shit.
Back off.
That idea should not have popped that.
Oh man. Yeah, okay, let's regroup. Let's regroup.
Can we get a? I think we need a shield now, guys. What do you think?
Something more static to move it.
Yeah, I can't. You guys are all over the map, so I can't.
I'll switch over.
Yeah, and that's not the best for
Switch to Ryan.
maneuverability.
Very vulnerable to Diva ulti.
I've got an
Almost
ulti for you,
picked off the
Reinhardt,
soldier.
so-
Diva's just blown her ulti. We have 18 seconds. She's not going to get it back. We need to go.
Okay, cool. Go.
I have one, please.
Get onto.
On the down main street, Greg. Okay, we need the damage behind the shield. We need the damage behind the shield.
Damn it.
Oh, jeez. The McCree!
Shit!
Oh,
Swap out was too late, huh?
One paying attention to the time.
Hon. The fuck is that?
Good push on attack though. That was the first time we've ever done that.
Yeah, the first attack was great, huh?
Decent-ish, you know?
We struggle with that second point consistently. It's too many.
It's the angles again. There's too many angles. And we have issues with angles, so.
Do you want the Rhine or the Sim? I mean the 12 or the Sim?
anyone?
Tall, probably.
Go up for the vomit.
Mm.
Area control. 'Cause that's how we usually use it.
Also really good
Um,
smashing shields.
Chris,
Yeah.
do you
Okay.
want to let's put Greg on the Orisa, I think, and you and Press heal. That's a more natural.
Okay, and what healer do you want?
Let me try Mercy.
Mercy and
Oh, Moira.
Moira, yeah, Moira's good.
Mine is good for the balls down the.
So we know they have. We know they have a McCree. We know they have a Moira.
I'm standing up here to look and see where they're coming from.
Main Street. Oh, and they got a
It's a Genji.
Genji. It looks like.
They're not coming Main Street. They're
Genji's
coming
on the
around the
bottom.
side. They're coming around
No,
the
they're
side.
coming, yeah.
Genji's bottom
I
left.
can't hear anything.
Can we blow their shield? I need to blow that shield. My shield's almost gone.
Use the corners a bit more.
Brigitte's gone to the left. Brigitte's gone around.
They're in on the left. Ooh, lag.
Genji's down. Focus the Brigitte. Oh dear.
Hey, insane lag spike
We weren't
there.
focusing the Brigitte. Like she was running in amongst us.
Yeah.
I had like 600 in there.
I'll switch to Bastion.
Where you want to go? Bottom, top?
Bottom, bottom.
Don't have much.
I switched to monkey to can't.
Yeah, yeah.
Swap out.
Genji.
It's good.
They have gone. They're going to go top there, Tumsh. Genji's above you.
Stop.
Heals, please. Thank you.
Watch Genji!
No shield.
Genji left. Vegeta, on you! That's funny.
I can't move further back, guys. 'cause
No,
we don't
right,
have much
right
space.
here's a good spot for us. Greg, if you can, pull that Genji back after he deflects.
Shields up in 2, 1.
You got that?
Yeah.
Tap
Genji. Leave the shield.
Sorry, I bubbled it.
that. You bubbled it in with yourself. What? How heroic. Oh! No! Oh shit.
No.
They're pushing in hard. They're pushing in hard. Nice! Push him back, push him back.
Fuck, where's he behind us?
No, but now I'm vulnerable.
Coming.
Oh, fuck.
He's on the left, he's on the left, he's on the left. Room on the left. He's in there.
Shield's almost gone.
Need to step.
I can't do much about this Mimir though.
Behind, Genji behind.
Behind Genji! Ulti! Oh, jeez.
Coming with you, Eves, to take him off.
Dead.
Shooting at us.
The Reese is very low.
Right, jeez. With you, I can bubble you.
Peek, Tumsh,
There we
so I
go,
can
nice.
Get you. Peek
Just
back
watch
here,
behind
Tumsh.
us, please.
Is
Okay,
there
someone
someone's
needs to be on that payload.
Yeah, just watch behind us and call it.
Yep.
I will move it, cheese. They're
You're going high
bottom
ground?
left,
Let's move back.
Bottom right. Yeah, they are high ground.
I can't get on that high ground now.
We're in trouble. We're in trouble.
Yeah, they are. Yeah, wait for them to come down. They will come down.
Try to get a shield in the corner somewhere. Yeah, alright, that's good. Beautiful.
Maurice is low. Maurice is dead.
There we go. Keep smack the shit out of her. Give her on the back line. Ah? Yeah, here she comes.
Not anywhere near that.
Fuck, nowhere to go.
Watch out, there's a Moira.
Chasing me, Tumsh. Good time to ulti here if you can get one
Okay,
off.
help me kill this Anna. Okay, she's dead.
I'm dead.
And she's down. Focusing Diva.
Behind you. He dead. I
Nice.
kill him. Is that Reinhardt now?
Point, guys.
Oh, I got played.
I am fighting full on point.
Okay, I'm gonna get on that high ground now. Up here. Greg, yeah, come with me. Nice one. EB can jump on point. Right, yeah. Boom.
Okay, we need to know where they're coming from. So just call.
Oh, fuck.
60 seconds remaining.
I can't see anyone.
Bottom right.
Top. They're top.
Is it Tracer?
You're run.
Reaper! Behind on the stairs. Junkrat coming to you guys. On your left.
Payload? Eeps payload?
Oh, sorry, Reaper!
Wait, I'm going for the Anna. She's low. Okay, Anna's dead. Anna's dead.
Yeah, you do the healers.
Ah,
You
shit.
do the healers.
I'm dead. Reaper killed me.
Moira behind. Reaper in my ass. Junk behind.
No, I'm dead.
Eeps, we
She's
needed
dead. Help. get on
payload.
point.
Payload. Push payload.
She got away.
Coming.
3 seconds out.
Gotta touch him, gotta touch him. Come. Sending ball, I'm coming.
Ryan behind. Ryan behind.
Ryan,
Oh,
out of
shit.
position. Oh shit. Nice ulti.
Oh shit.
Bitch!
Ryan.
Oh fuck.
Junk. Oh dear.
Ryan is dead.
Junk behind you guys.
God damn! Touch!
I'm touching.
Eevee's on. Eevee-
Coming.
Shit!
I'm like so oh shit, that's all I got.
Fuck off. Bad luck.
That's hard fought.
Seconds.
junk tire.
Seconds. Yeah. That was
We needed you on that payload there, Eeps.
When they came with a Reaper.
I was
Yes, no,
I killed
but
Anna.
yes, but the plan was that we were on the high ground and you would just stop the payload.
Some miscommunication
luck.
about that
Yeah,
plan.
yeah.
Needs to be more clear about exactly what we meant.
Bad luck. That was very
Not
close.
bad though, eh? It was when they came with the Reaper though. Things